In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your account name on Steam. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, when you open up Steam, you need to click right here at the top right corner at your current account name. And then go to your profile by clicking at the first option. After you are at your profile, that's where you can easily find Edit Profile button. We need to click on it. Then make sure you are at General, and then right over here you can easily find your current profile name, and that's where we can easily create new one. I'm just gonna enter here some random digits, and then to save it, all we have to do is just click right here at Save. As you can see at the top here, username is already changed. Also, we can see it right over here. So that's, guys, how we can easily change the account name on Steam. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.